Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are so happy you are here with us today for another English speaking lesson. And today, we are talking about one of the most popular things in the world.
Coffee.
Yes, coffee, the magical drink that helps millions of people wake up every morning.
Honestly, David, I feel nervous every time I go into an English-speaking coffee shop.
Really? Why?
Because the menu always has so many strange words. Espresso, latte, cappuccino, flat white, Americano, and I never know what to say.
Well, don't worry, because by the end of today's lesson, you will feel much more confident ordering coffee in English.
Yes! Today, we're going to learn real coffee shop conversations step by step in a simple and natural way.
So listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine yourself standing inside a real coffee shop.
Maybe with the smell of fresh coffee all around you.
All right, let's begin. You walk into the coffee shop, and the first thing you see is the counter.
And usually, there is a long line of people waiting for coffee.
Exactly. And behind the counter, there is a person called a barista.
Barista? That sounds important.
It is important. A barista is the person who makes and serves your coffee.
Barista. Okay, I like that word.
Now, imagine the barista smiles at you and says, "Hello, what can I get for you today?"
My brain usually freezes at this moment.
That's normal, but today we will practice simple answers.
You can say, "I'd like a coffee, please," or "Can I have a coffee, please?" or "I'll have a coffee."
All three are natural and correct.
Let me try. "I'd like a latte, please."
Perfect. Very natural and polite.
But then the menu becomes confusing.
Yes, coffee menus can look very complicated in the beginning.
So what exactly is an espresso?
An espresso is a very small and very strong coffee. Just a tiny cup, but full of strong flavor.
Like a tiny cup with superhero power.
Exactly. Very small, but very powerful.
And what about an Americano?
An Americano is espresso with hot water, so it becomes bigger and less strong.
Espresso plus hot water equals Americano.
Exactly right.
Okay, now latte.
A latte is espresso with a lot of milk. It's creamy, soft, and smooth.
Coffee with a hug.
That's actually a perfect description.
And cappuccino. I always say this word wrong.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Perfect. Cappuccino is espresso, hot milk, and foam on top.
Like a cloud on top of the coffee.
Exactly. A little coffee cloud.
And finally, what is a flat white?
A flat white is espresso with a little steamed milk, stronger than a latte, and very popular in Australia and New Zealand.
Wow, there are so many coffee types.
Don't worry, let's review quickly.
Espresso. Small and strong.
Americano, espresso with hot water.
Latte. Espresso with lots of milk.
Cappuccino, espresso with milk and foam.
Flat white. Espresso with a little milk.
Great. Now let's talk about sizes.
Yes, because the barista always asks, what size?
Usually there are three sizes: small, medium, and large.
I always choose large because I love coffee too much.
A large coffee for a large amount of energy.
I don't have a large latte, please.
Excellent.
And then the barista asks more questions.
Yes, because coffee shops let you customize your drink.
Customize means change it the way I like it.
Exactly. For example, the barista may ask, hot or iced?
I'll have it iced, please.
Perfect. Iced means cold with ice.
Then they ask about milk, too.
Yes, regular milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
Regular milk is fine, thank you.
Great job.
And sugar?
The barista may ask, would you like any sugar? Or how many sugars?
1 sugar, please.
Or no sugar, thank you.
What if I want sweet flavors like vanilla or caramel?
Then you ask for syrup, like vanilla syrup or caramel syrup.
I'll have a medium iced latte with caramel syrup, please.
That sounds delicious.
But sometimes long orders make me nervous.
That's okay. Speak slowly and clearly. Baristas hear hundreds of coffee orders every day.
So they won't laugh at me?
Never. They just want to help you get the perfect coffee.
Okay, now let's practice paying.
That'll be $4.50, please.
Here you are.
You can also say, "Here you go."
And if they ask for my name?
They write your name on the cup so they can call you when your coffee is ready.
Jake, Jake.
Great! Your latte will be ready soon.
Then later, they call my name loudly in the cafe.
Jake, your coffee is ready.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your coffee and have a great day.
Honestly, this feels much easier now.
Because most coffee shop conversations follow the same pattern every day.
So once I practice a few times, it becomes natural.
Exactly. Repetition builds confidence.
Okay, what if I change my mind after ordering?
Then you can say, "Actually, can I change that to a cappuccino, please?"
Actually, can I change that to a medium instead of a large?
Perfect. Very polite and natural.
And what if I don't understand the barista?
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Sorry, can you say that again slowly?
Excellent. Never feel afraid to ask people to repeat.
Okay, David, let's practice a full conversation from beginning to end.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll have a large iced latte, please.
Sure, what kind of milk would you like?
Oat milk, please.
Any sugar or syrup?
Yes, caramel syrup, please.
Great, and can I get a name for the order?
Jake.
Perfect. That'll be $5.20.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Amazing job. That was a real coffee shop conversation.
And honestly, it doesn't feel scary anymore.
Because now you have the vocabulary and the structure.
I think real-life English becomes easier when you practice conversations like this.
Exactly. Real practice creates real confidence.
And remember, coffee shops are not just for coffee in many English-speaking countries.
Yes, many people study, work, read, or meet friends there.
Like a second living room.
Exactly. A second living room with caffeine.
So now it's your turn.
Practice ordering your favorite coffee out loud right now.
Don't just listen, speak with confidence.
And write your coffee order in the comments in English.
Hot or iced, small or large, tell us everything.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep improving every day.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone, and enjoy your coffee.